Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a thermostat on a 2011 Buick Enclave, updated. Begin by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and letting the engine cool completely. Open the hood, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and position a drain pan under the radiator. Wear safety glasses and gloves for protection. Gather tools like a 15 mm socket, pliers, and a new thermostat gasket before proceeding. With coolant drained and tools at hand, remove the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing using pliers to release the clamp. Loosen and remove the housing bolts carefully and lift the housing to expose the thermostat. Note the thermostat orientation and remove the old unit and gasket using a scraper to clean mating surfaces. Inspect the housing for cracks and replace if needed. Keep bolts organized and check the condition of nearby hoses. Place the new thermostat into the housing opening with the spring toward the engine and fit a new gasket or O-ring as recommended. Reattach the housing and snug bolts evenly to avoid warping, then reconnect the upper radiator hose and clamp. Refill the radiator with the correct coolant mixture and bleed air from the system by running the engine with the radiator cap off until the thermostat opens. Check for leaks and confirm proper temperature stabilization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.